In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Google Gemini from collecting personal data. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive into the steps you can take to enhance your privacy while using Google Gemini. Many of us value our personal information, and it's understandable to want control over what is shared. So let's get started on how you can manage and limit data collection. Firstly, one of the most effective ways to control data collection is through a step-by-step data collection control within Gemini. This can be done in just a few clicks. You'll want to access your settings within the Gemini application or your Google account. Simply navigate to the settings and look for sections related to data collection or personalization. This will give you a good overview of what data is being collected and provide options to adjust those settings. Moving on to our second step, it's important to turn off your activity history. To do this, visit Google My Activity or open the Gemini app. Once inside, click on Settings and Help, where you'll find an option labeled Activity. You can easily turn this toggle off. This action prevents Google from keeping a record of your interactions with Gemini, giving you more peace of mind. Next, let's address your past chat logs. If you want to maintain your privacy, it's wise to delete any previous interactions you've had through Gemini. Head back to the Gemini app's activity dashboard, where you'll find an option to delete chat logs. Here, you can either clear individual prompts or choose to wipe all historical chat data completely. It's a straightforward process, and I recommend doing this regularly if you're concerned about privacy. Now, how about some added control over the tools you use every day? It's a good idea to disable workspace extensions if you're using Google services like Gmail, Docs, or Drive. In Gemini, simply click on the extensions or puzzle piece icon that you'll see in the interface. Turning off Google Workspace will ensure that Gemini doesn't have access to read your data from those services. This step is crucial if you're working with sensitive information. As we move to the fifth step, let's talk about Gmail specifically. Google integrates various smart features that analyze your email data. To limit this, open your Gmail settings, then click on See All Settings. Within there, you'll find an option labeled Smart Features and Personalization. Go ahead and uncheck that box. By doing this, you'll stop Google from processing your email data for any integrated features, further ensuring your privacy. As you can see, there are several effective steps you can take to prevent Google Gemini from collecting personal data. It's essential to be proactive about your online privacy. Reviewing and adjusting your settings regularly will help maintain a sense of control over your information. In summary, enhancing your data privacy with Google Gemini may seem daunting at first, but with a few simple steps, you can significantly reduce personal data collection. Start by controlling what data is collected. Turn off your activity history, delete past chats, disable unnecessary extensions, and disable smart features in Gmail. These actions empower you to take charge of your data and how it's used. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Protecting your personal data is important, and I'm here to help you navigate through it. Until next time, take care and stay safe online.